Hi, Ellen Hopkins. This is Mrs. Martin. Sorry I couldn't be with you today. I did want to talk to you about using our library catalog. That's the system on the computer that helps you find library books. Now, a lot of you have been asking for it, and we haven't let you get on yet because I wanted to teach you how to use it before you go to it. Our first two computers in the library classroom area are our catalog computers, and they should be logged in if no classes are using them. If you need to get on the catalog and it's not on, please ask someone at the library desk to go fix the catalog computers for you so you can search for books. The first thing to know is don't sit down at a library catalog computer if you don't know a book you're looking for. Now, this can be a specific exact title or it can be a kind of book, and I'm going to show you both kinds of searches today. The first thing to know is that the screen changed a little bit. Last year it had a green background and this year it has a blue background. And when you sit down, if it doesn't have a clear screen, you just click the word catalog and you'll get our search screen. Again, a little different colors than last year, but it works the same way. We have a basic search and it should be on that first tab over here. Then you just put in the name of the book that you're looking for and hit enter. And it might take the computer a second to search for it. Oh, I spelled it wrong. Hey, boys and girls, that's a really good example because if you spell something wrong, it won't pick it up. Now, it says, no match is found. Did you mean Minecraft? And I did mean Minecraft, not Mindcraft. So I can hit the go button and it will redirect my search. So use those tools and read the screen to help you. If you happen to spell something wrong and you're close, it should give you a suggestion. Now let's take a look. It shows me the Minecraft books that we have in our library. Oh, I'm really excited to check some of these out. But before you go looking for them on the shelf, there's a couple of things you need to do. The first thing you need to do is go over to the side and see if it's even in today. Now when I look here, it shows me 0 of 3 available. This number 3 means we have 3 copies of that book in our library. But the 0 means there aren't any here, that other kids in our school have them checked out. So it's no use to go look for it on the shelf. It's not in. As I scroll down the page, I see that all of our Minecraft books are checked out. Oh, here we have one, Diary of a Minecraft Zombie, Book 6, 1 of 2 available. That means there is one here in the library that's ready for checkout. So if I want to go find that book, this is step 2. Write it down. There should be paper and pencils in a container right by the library catalog computers. You're going to want to write down any of the information that you see highlighted. You want to know the call number, which is series, DIA, and the location, which is series. That would tell you to walk to our series chapter book wall and in ABC order find the DIA books, and that will help you find the Diary of a Minecraft Zombie. Okay? Let's do another search. I'm just going to click the word catalog again to reset my screen. And this time I'm going to search for soccer. Now this is just a category. I'm looking to see what kind of soccer books we have in our library. This time we're heading towards the nonfiction. I'm going to look through the books and see, I want one that's about soccer and how to play it. So this one, it looks like a storybook. I don't want that. These ones, this is a chapter book. That's not really what I'm looking for. Hey, this one looks like it might give me the information I need. I'm going to check over to the side, and here it says 1 of 1 available. That means the one copy we have at our library is here to go find. So step 2 is write down the information. I need to write down 796.334 BRO. And I need to write down it's in the nonfiction wall. Then I'll take my paper and go to the back wall of the library where I know the nonfiction books are, and in number order I'm going to find the 796.334 and I will find my soccer book there. We'll do one more search. This one is an author search. I really am liking an author named David Shannon. Oh, recognize these books? So I found books by an author now. Again, I can find the book that I want by that author. And once I find one that I want to look for, I'm going to always check to the side to see if I have any available. I'm wanting A Bad Case of the Stripes, and it looks like it's all checked out right now. Oh, here it is again, but if you notice, this one's in Spanish. If I'm in Spanish immersion, that's great. I can go find that book, except for that it's checked out. If I'm not in Spanish immersion, though, I can't go check out a Spanish book. If there's no books that fit, then I'm going to go try a different search. Now, the last thing to know, boys and girls, is that you don't want to spend your whole library time on the computer. So really, our little rule in the library is that you can search for 2 books and write down 2 books, and that's all the time you get. If you don't find 2 books you want using the computer, you're just going to have to use what we've been doing the first month of school here, which is a visual search. But after that, two book search, you need to leave the computer to give someone else a turn, and also to get yourself up and using some of your library time to look for books, because library time can go really fast, and if you don't get moving quickly, you're going to find you're not going to have time to check out books with your class today. So one more time, just to review. Know what you want to search before you sit down. Check the spellings and use the spelling tools that pop up if you're close to find the books you want, because spelling matters. Write it down using the paper and pencils that are located by the computers that have the catalog on. And you have a time limit, so work quickly and leave the computer when you're supposed to.